Okay, welcome to Ferrie's Kitchen. Tonight's recipe is my mum's homemade sausage rolls, which all of our family loves. So I'll just show you the ingredients. Okay, the ingredients for my mum's homemade sausage rolls are half a kilo of sausage meat, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion salt, 1 potato, and half a stick of carrot. I'm just adding the carrot in because it's for a family where the girl doesn't eat carrot. I'm going to try and hide it to see how I go. And you need some milk and about the same amount, 1 egg and about the same amount of milk to make the egg wash to go on the puff pastry. So that's it, all very simple. So let's get mixing. Okay, so all very simple. Potato and carrot in. Onion, salt and pepper. We just mix it in with our hands. You can vary the pepper and onion salt depending on your taste. Okay, that's nearly good enough. So I'll just show you how I prepare the puff pastry and then we'll get ready for the oven. Okay, we're nearly ready to start prepping. I've just mixed up my, my egg wash, equal parts of milk and 1 egg. So I've got to put that aside. What I normally do is chop these in half. Just spoon on enough mix so we can fold it over. That's about right. Put some egg wash along this edge. All good. Fold it over, tuck it in under, flop it over and push it flat. There we go. Even it out. Then you simply chop it to whatever size you want. I'm going to chop it into 4. A little bit of egg wash on top. There we go. So you just keep repeating that until you've used up all your meat mix, and then get ready to put them in the oven. Okay, there we go. 2 sheets, and used pretty much all of the meat. You can sprinkle them with sesame seeds or poppy seeds if you want. I don't. I think it gets in the way of the tomato sauce I'm going to put on them when it's cooked. Put them in the oven, 180 to 190 degrees until golden brown, and then they're ready to go. Let's whack them in the oven.